Yes, today we get to test out the bulletproof coffee. And actually, we threw the question out there if any cool listeners have tried the bulletproof coffee. So again, this is coffee with special butter, right? Grass-fed cow butter.
I'd just like to point out it's $10 butter.
Whoa!
I went to the store yesterday because you have to have unsalted. You can't have salted butter. It's going to be gross, right? So it's got to be unsalted and it's got to be grass-fed. And you know this because the cow is on the outside and it'll say...
Not the same.
No, it's not the same. It'll say fresh milk produced from grazing cows on the side. You'll probably find it in the frozen food section and not in the butter section because it doesn't stay, I guess, the salt.
Well, you might have to ask somebody. I mean, they might have to go top shelf for that stuff.
And they did, and I appreciated that. So we've got the butter with us, and so I've looked up how to make it ourselves. First, step one, brew awesome coffee, which we've done. Level Ground Trading supplies our coffee here at the radio station, so we've done that already. That's good to go. Step two, add, for us it would be 3 cups, so we want to add 3 tablespoons of the butter. So here we go. I'm just going to put it in there. I got a little bit of splashback there.
2, that's so much butter.
I know, it's a lot of butter, so but no one be alarmed because I feel like it's going to be really
cup, I guess.
1 per cup. And then 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, which I brought from my home pantry. So let's just mix this up here a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay.
More oil.
1.
Wow.
So much oil.
2. Ooh.
Smells
It's
good, though.
It smells good. It's like a cup of fat. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so it's all in the blender.
It's starting to
I brought
melt.
my blender, and it's a decent blender. You'll want to turn that top part so it doesn't come flying out.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, good to know.
You know
That's
what I
good
mean?
to know,
It would've
Paul
came
Allen.
flying,
Okay,
yeah.
here we go.
Okay. Is it
Also,
ready?
yeah, you definitely want to blend it because right now it just looks like a
Sick.
mix of fat sitting on top of the coffee.
It looks like a bug. Like, it looks disgusting.
You definitely need a blender, and I'm
Okay.
going to choose the blend option as opposed to the shred or the grate or mince because I feel like that's all we need. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now it doesn't say how long you need to do it for, but I think you just give it. You know, it looks kind of similar to a latte. Like if you were a barista and you were making this.
I think it almost looks like an ice.
The color is definitely just like you put cream in it, though.
Yeah.
It doesn't look
light
gross
brown,
or
right?
weird or anything like that.
Ooh, frothy.
And I think
It's even frothy.
And I think the key with this is that you really have to you gotta consume it right away. Like you gotta get it in you as soon as it's ready to go.
Get
because
it in me!
otherwise-
Okay,
Okay, Ceara.
I'll get my cup.
Here's your cup.
Oh,
Paul Allen.
it does look like a latte at this point.
Yeah.
I wish
Okay,
you did
so-
some artwork on
Like,
top,
you
though.
don't want it to cool down because otherwise you get that separation again.
At
right?
this
So-
point, we should say it looks delicious. It looks
Yeah.
like
It does.
frothy, light brown latte.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers,
Okay,
everybody.
here we go.
It's not terrible.
Wow. It's not bad at all.
It's you can taste the butter. You can taste the butter.
A little bit, but you
It tastes
can't
like
taste
a cream almost, though.
Yeah, you can't taste it in a salty way, which is again why you need to use the unsalted butter, right? It basically tastes like a really creamy coffee.
That
It's
is-
actually quite good.
We don't hate this.
We don't.
Although, again, remember that this 1 cup of this is probably about 450 to 500 calories, and it's full of saturated fat. But
It's lunch.
yeah, exactly. If the only thing you consume the rest of the day is an apple or a Kleenex, I think you're okay.
Kleenex.
All right, well, we're gonna enjoy our breakfast, and
It's good.
It's not
Wow.
bad. You know what? This could win. Although, well, ask us what we weigh at the end of the day. We'll see.
It's really good.